New lights! Hey guys, welcome back. It's Sarah. Today I want to give you guys a first look at all the new products that we just came out with at SACHEU Beauty, which I already talked about on TikTok, and I definitely post more content on TikTok now. I just came back from Hong Kong, so I did an Asian makeup haul there. I post more skincare and makeup recommendations there because I get to show you guys new cool stuff as soon as I try it instead of having to wait until I have enough to fill up a whole video. So if any of y'all miss me on YouTube, go find me on TikTok at SACHEU. I posted a very quick TikTok about the products, but I feel like because I've been working on them for so long, it definitely takes a sit down video to talk about all the ingredients, why we created them. So this is what this video is for. Oh, and a really big announcement is we are now available at ULTA Beauty, not just online, but also in stores at over 400 locations. You can go to sacheu.com and go on store locator. I'll put a link in the description as well to see if there's a store in your state. It's so amazing how supportive ULTA Beauty is with small brands like ours. And if you've been following me for a while, y'all know how much I love ULTA. So I'm so glad you guys can actually go in store and try the texture and try out the product before you buy it, because I don't know, I feel like our products aren't really flashy. A lot of times I feel like you love it so much more after you've tried it in person. So I'm so excited for y'all to be able to shop in person. You'll get to test it in person. You don't have to wait for shipping. I personally love shopping in store a lot more than shopping online, especially for makeup and skincare. I'm in there swatching for hours. If you have an Ulta near you, definitely go check out the store locator to see if SACHEU Beauty is stocked there. See if you find it, and if you do, DM me a photo on Instagram. So if you've been following our brand journey, we started off with our facial tools, which were very popular. Then we created Slick Skin as a serum to use with the facial tools, and now we've expanded with We Occlusive, which is our overnight moisturizer, as well as Breakup Balm, which is our fragrance-free K-beauty inspired cleansing balm, but in a tube, so it's super hygienic, which you guys have sold out so many times, so thank y'all for that. And now we've expanded to more skincare products, and our philosophy has always been fragrance-free, alcohol-free. We really want to reduce risk of irritation, keep everything in a hygienic packaging, and just deliver the most gentle but effective, well-rounded formula that you can use every day and trust that it works. So these are my 3 new babies. We have the LACTIC tonic, which is our first ever chemical exfoliant. It is an alpha hydroxy acid with lactic acid, malic acid, as well as tranexamic acid, which I'll talk more about later. We have the Sweet Balm, which is a fragrance-free lip balm that also contains sweetener. Even though fragrance sometimes can irritate your lips, especially if you have dry sensitive lips like mine, and my lips are just chronically dry, sweetener does not irritate your lips. So it still has a little bit of something, but it's great to use on sensitive dry lips. So love this. And the Spot Eraser, which has 2% benzoyl peroxide as well as kaolin clay. In my previous videos as well, I've always talked so highly about benzoyl peroxide because it directly kills acne causing bacteria. So this is a very effective spot treatment, and I'll talk about all that in a lot more detail later on. I gave you guys a little bit of an overview on TikTok, but I want to just dive into the new launches so you know what you're purchasing. And I also want to do a little bit of unboxing, but before I get into it, one thing I want to point out is there was one more product, which is an SPF product that we were going to come out with. I talked about this briefly on TikTok. The texture of the products that people received was not we designed it to be. So because of the texture discrepancy, we wanted to wait and just err on the safe side to make sure the formula is as perfect as we designed it to be. But definitely keep an eye out for that. We will work on it, and it is coming back. But now I want to get into these 3 products and do a little bit of an unboxing. I specifically got brand new products just to unbox this with you to get the whole experience. The first, we have the Spot Eraser. So the active ingredient we put in this is benzoyl peroxide. It's one of the most effective ingredients to kill that very deep pus-filled acne. And the reason for that is because benzoyl peroxide is fat soluble, so it penetrates the skin and kills the acne bacteria. The way that pimples are formed is a clogged pore. It could be a blackhead or a whitehead. It gets infected by bacteria, which causes that inflammation. It causes the redness. It causes the pus. The pus and redness is a reaction to that bacteria. That is your skin trying to protect itself from the bacteria. So with the benzoyl peroxide topical treatment, you kill that bacteria, which in turn reduces that inflammation. It reduces the redness and the pus, and it also can kill it from its source, meaning the pimple doesn't have to be completely at the surface for this to work. It can penetrate deep so that the bacteria is gone and the pimple is gone before it even comes to the surface, which is what I love about this. Ever since I started chemically exfoliating, I don't get as many pimples anymore, but when I do, it's a very deep, painful, pus-filled pimple. And I really hate that type of pimple because it's so big and painful and red that it's the type that you can't really hide with concealer. So using a benzoyl peroxide treatment, leaving it overnight, I would say about 80 to 90% of the time completely gets rid of it overnight. And even if it's not gone, it's a lot smaller in the morning. This is what it looks like. So All of our products have the seal. This is actually the same tube as our We Occlusive moisturizer tube. It's just smaller because it's a spot treatment. You don't need to use as much of it. And it squeezes out like that. So pretty small holes so you don't dispense too much product all at once. This is 2.5 benzoyl peroxide. How I would use it is I just dab it on. Wait, let me do more. There are a lot of benzoyl peroxides on the market, but one thing I really wanted to create is spot treatment that has benzoyl peroxide, so the active ingredient that kills the bacteria, as well as a drying element. That way it prevents the pore from being clogged in the first place to clear that area long term as you're using the spot treatment. So the way that we formulated it is we use kaolin clay with it. So the white that you see is the color of the kaolin clay. So this is not a small amount for a spot treatment, but then if you dab it in, it slowly becomes invisible. And that's how you want to blend. Dab, don't rub. And once it's completely dry, I'm going to use a fan to demonstrate. You get a dry, almost powdery type of feel to it. So you can use it during the day if you wake up with a big pimple, or if you want to use it at night as an overnight treatment. Either way, it gives a very nice finish. I'm actually going to put a little bit of this. I obviously have makeup on today, but I'm going to apply some of this on my cheek right here so you can see what it looks like on your face. So it mattified this area a little bit, but it's not really visible. So this is my dream spot treatment. This is something that I would keep in my skincare emergency kit. If I ever get like a pimple coming out, this is what I pull out. You can dab this in a small area like I did on my face, or if you have clusters of pimples, like if you have really big areas in your cheek or your forehead where there are always pimples there, you can apply it on the whole area there. Such a good product. If you get pimples a lot, must try. Next up, I want to talk about Lactic Tonic. Like I said, Lactic Tonic is our first ever chemical exfoliant, and y'all know how much I love chemical exfoliants, and I've tried so many chemical exfoliants. It has a lower concentration than the peels that you might see on the market, but it's still at an effective pH as well as concentration. Now, the objective we had with this is to, one, reduce hyperpigmentation, as well as boost your natural glow. So the ingredients we chose is Lactic Tonic, which is one of the best alpha hydroxy acids out there. Alpha hydroxy acids can dissolve the glue that holds the dead skin cells together in the surface of your skin. So as you cleanse, all those skin cells just slough off and reveals brighter, glowier skin. So lactic acid is amazing at doing that. But beyond that, lactic acid, when applied topically, has also been shown to increase ceramide production, which means it's also beneficial for your skin barrier. Through the exfoliation process, it can fade discoloration. That includes post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. That includes age spots, sunspots, or any discoloration that you want to see fade over time. Actually, I'm talking too much. Let me just open this first. This also contains malic acid, which is another alpha hydroxy acid, and it has been shown to work well with lactic acid. And it contains tranexamic acid, which is specifically good for post-acne marks. Tranexamic acid was first used by surgeons for scar treatment, and it's recently being used more for post-acne marks. This is what it looks like. It's the most beautiful luxe bottle. You would think this is $80. This also has a little seal. Oh, and it pours out like that. I usually use this with a cotton pad. Not only does this contain alpha hydroxy acids, which can fade discoloration, smooth out fine lines, and in the case of lactic acids, increase ceramide production. Not only that, it also contains a stabilized form of vitamin C, namely sodium ascorbyl phosphate. Vitamin C is also another amazing ingredient for hyperpigmentation. It's great for brightening skin, healing environmental damage. So if you're using this, always use sunscreen in the morning, always follow with a moisturizer at night. But I'm so proud of the Lactic Tonic. The packaging is beautiful, the formula is beautiful. If I don't use this for a week, I definitely notice a difference. Last but not least, we have the Sweet Balm. This is in a very similar packaging to our spot eraser. This is what it looks like. Also has a seal. This contains castor seed oil, jojoba oil. The concept was an everyday lip balm for hot girls. It's just a very luxurious mix of different plant oils that I found to be the most effective at hydrating your lips. I haven't used any lip balm today, so I definitely need some. It makes my lip look so plump and kissable. Like I almost look like I have gloss on. Like I said, we put a lot of plant oils in this, including castor oil, jojoba oil, all great moisturizing oils, as well as shea butter, which is one of the more occlusive plant butters. If you've ever used shea butter, it's actually hard in room temperature, which is why we can't just use pure shea butter as a lip balm. I mean, you can, but the application would be a little bit annoying. You would have to melt it first and apply it. So we mixed shea butter, a very occlusive plant butter, with other plant oils that are liquid in room temperature. That way when it comes out, It's in a beautiful balmy form. I also use this a lot when I'm doing my makeup. I live in Toronto. I naturally just have very dry lips. When I do my makeup, I would apply this first and then do my foundation, my eyeshadow, and then I do lips last. And at that point, it would have absorbed into my lips already, and it gives a very nice smooth base to apply lip products, even matte liquid lipstick. So that is it. That was a lot of talking. If you want to find out all the news around SACHEU Beauty, you can follow the brand account at SACHEU Beauty on Instagram, or I'll always post about new products on TikTok as they come out, so follow me on there too. And yeah, that is it. Those are the 3 girls you're gonna see at ULTA soon. We wouldn't have been able to start selling in stores if it wasn't for all y'all's support, so thank you again, and I'll see y'all again soon. Bye!